Alright guys, we had some major rain yesterday. Extreme rain. But I'm gonna go out for a little morning dumpster dive. I'm hoping to find some Easter stuff. It's Friday, Easter was on Sunday, so it still might be a little early, but let's check. This is a dollar store. Alright, I think I might see something. For sure. Let's see if I can reach. Frogs. That's cute. I wish they were baskets, but I'll still take them. I'm gonna keep digging. Alright, I actually had quite a bit of success at the dollar store there. And I could have stayed for longer and gotten so much more stuff, so I might actually go back. But we're here at the pharmacy now, one of them. I see flowers. Yeah, they're kind of pretty. I might take some of those. They don't look the greatest. That's just packaging. Not much else, just the flowers in here right now, I think. Next up is another pharmacy location. This is the one, if you saw my throwback Easter video, this is the one where I found that 2 years ago. And then last year they stopped throwing stuff out for a year. I don't know what they were doing, and then recently they've started throwing out tons again. So I'm hoping here I can find some goods. That's from the Chinese restaurant. I don't see anything today in here. Maybe next time. Alright, we're here at another pharmacy. It's a risky time of the morning because employees are showing up. So I'm going to be cautious. Empty, it's always empty. Alright, I'm pulling up to another dollar store that I have gone to maybe one time before ever. Because I had success at the last dollar store. So let's see if this one's any good. Empty. Right here at the next stop. That's packaging. A lawnmower. Oh. That's cute. I'll take that. Maybe something in here. Can't get it open. Alright, I'll let you guys know. Alright, there was some stuff in that black bag, so I went ahead and took it. Looks like the usual, a few snack things, and actually some, maybe some home things as well, so that's good. We're at a craft store. It's usually empty this day, but let's check anyways. Oh man, definitely not empty. There's some few flowers, but I'm not going to take those. It's just looking like trash to me. Yeah. Next stop. Obviously that was leaking. Oh man, I got it all over my hands. That's a cute little basket. Yeah, this store tends to destroy things. Alright, I'm gonna dig around a little bit more. Here's one more dollar store. That looks like a box of Easter cards that is soaking wet. So I will see. Okay. Here we are at the party store. Not much going on. And then I'm just gonna take you guys right over to the $5 store here, and they already have some trash on the floor or on the ground, so maybe somebody's been here. We will have to see. Oh, no, it's just very full. Alright, we're gonna check the other side. Yeah, I can't even get it open. Hopefully nothing good in there. Too full. This is a bed and bath store. Oh man, it's soaking wet, but there is some stuff in here. I might want to jump in to see if that vacuum's in there. I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, so I came back to the dollar store. I did end up jumping in and getting some goods, so I will definitely show you those in my haul video, which should be out soon. And I came back to the dollar store. I'm going to end my live dive here. I'm going to see if I can get some more stuff, because there was a lot of stuff in there buried underneath everything. So as always, thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for my latest video, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and I'll be back soon.